Leica M11 review. The Leica M11 is the most modern and feature-rich model in the M series. In addition to its remarkable build quality and minimal design, the camera has a 60MP backside illuminated full-frame sensor and other innovations like 64GB of built-in memory. This makes the Leica M11 the highest resolution model in the M series so far, and it may even use the same sensor as Sony's A7R4. The advantage of a high-resolution camera is larger prints, but the downside is that even the slightest errors in focusing and lenses will be visible. Pre-orders for the Leica M11 are available now from retailers for $8,995, £7,500, $14,180 In this situation, limited edition Leica cameras in good condition can increase in value, meaning that when an M11 model of this type is released, it could essentially pay for itself over 5 to 10 years. Standard models hold their value better than mirrorless cameras from other manufacturers. Leica M series cameras combine the past and the present in a unique way. Even Fujifilm's X Pro 3 cannot quite compare despite providing an affordable alternative. With some impressive and useful features, the M11 is easily the most technologically advanced M series camera to date. It is the highest quality M11 yet with a 60MP full-frame backside illuminated CMOS sensor. With the M11, you can choose DNGs or JPEGs in 60MP, 36MP, or 18MP resolutions, so you're able to select the resolution that works best for the shot. In addition to metering, the sensor now provides multi-field, evaluative, and spot-weighted metering options. A key feature of the M11 that most other rangefinders lack is the 64GB of internal storage. Data can be recorded from both storage options, personal storage, backups, overflow storage or capturing different file types from both. It features a 2.3 million pixel, 3-inch touchscreen with a simple menu system that's easy to navigate by touch or the D-pad. Aside from the LCD screen, the M11 is a pure photography camera, without video recording capabilities. When different lenses are attached, border lines indicate the edges of the frame on the optical viewfinder. With wider and longer lenses this can be tricky, but it is well suited to 35 to 50mm focal lengths. A new electronic viewfinder, the VisaFlex 2 electronic viewfinder, available separately for $740, £600, eliminates this issue, but it's not exactly cheap. Designed for photographers seeking simple controls and a hands-on rangefinder experience. Through the optical viewfinder, the split-image rangefinder is used to focus. While it's not as accurate as autofocus, focus peaking is available in live view and provides an alternative. A black version of the camera has an aluminum top plate, while a silver version has a brass top plate. By using a smaller sensor, the black M11 weighs 110 grams less than its silver sibling. The camera body measures just 139 by 38.5 by 80 with a solid build quality. Using the manual aperture ring on any M11 lens, direct access is provided to ISO, shutter speed and aperture for stills photography. Just a D-pad, thumb dial, play/menu button, and FN function button are on the back. FN switches live view on and off by default, but can be reconfigured to access 28 settings. Unlike previous models, you now have faster and easier access to the battery, SD card, and USB 3.0 port, which can be used to charge and sync. It removes a feature that would be more appropriate for film cameras than digital ones. Overall, though, the camera isn't built for speed and versatility. Minimum focusing distance is 70 cm and continuous shooting is just 4.5 fps. Even though this isn't the kind of camera you'd use for high-speed continuous shooting, it's still surprising that the shutter only goes up to 1/4000s. Electronic shutters are inferior to mechanical shutters due to the possibility of shutter roll. In terms of image quality, the M11 boasts some impressive credentials. A 60MP backside illuminated sensor, a native ISO of 64, and RAW files in 14-bit DNG format round out the features. Leica claims it can correct oblique rays of incident light through an IR, infrared, and UV cut filter. A camera of this type might be unable to forgive focusing errors due to its 60MP sensor. When images are reviewed on the LCD screen they appear pin sharp, but as soon as they are imported into Lightroom they are soon uncovered to be less than sharp, so focus is more important than ever. Taking pictures on overcast day in Scotland, the camera captured details throughout the scene without using any filters. Details could be easily recovered from shadows, and overall light gathering was excellent. In terms of ISO, the best results came at ISO 1600 with ISO 3200 still being acceptable with minimal color noise reduction in Lightroom. After ISO 6400, color shifts appeared although images remained usable albeit with a reduction in overall quality.